Think you know ServiceTitan? Discover 3 powerful features you're probably not using. Feature 1. Automated estimate templates that save time and close more jobs. Open a template, customize pricing, and send a polished estimate in seconds. Feature 2. Smart dispatch suggestions that match tech skills and available time. Let ServiceTitan suggest the best tech and route to boost first-time fixes. Tap suggestions, confirm, and watch scheduling friction disappear. Feature 3. Custom reporting packs that turn raw data into clear action. Combine filters, save layouts, and get automated insights delivered weekly. Imagine a morning report that highlights your top opportunities and risks. Bonus tip: keyboard shortcuts and mobile swipe actions speed daily workflows. Enable these in settings and train your team with quick demos. Start using these features today. Visit ServiceTitan or open your app to explore.